Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 3142 at Hilton Singapore Orchard. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that's the floor plan. You have a couple of light switches together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches right there. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. We have light switches right there. And here is the entrance to the bathroom. The shower area is right there with a towel on the door. You can sit down right there, put your own items right there, get the shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, and it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower on the wall and the rain shower right above. The toilet is right there with toilet tissues, regular tissues, a towel, a glass. We have a huge mirror above the sink. We have a ring light right there, another ring light right there with another mirror. We have hooks right up there with bathrobes. And there are twin sinks. In the middle, we get bathroom amenities, hand wash, body lotion, another towel and glass setup right there. And below the sinks we have towels, as well as another towel in the middle, a bin right there, bath mats, and there is a sliding door for the bathroom if you want some privacy. Okay, so opposite the bathroom, we have the open wardrobe area. In the middle is a mirror with lights. To the left, we have a drawer, hair dryer, power outlet. Below is the laundry stuff, the in-room slippers, and behind the mirror, we have storage. Right above, there's a bar that you can hang items on. And right here, we have the ironing board, iron, torchlight, and storage. Okay, so right there is the actual wardrobe area where you can hang items on, as you can see by the hangers right there. Here we have a place to put luggage, and there is another bar right there to hang items on. Climate control panel, power outlet, a reading light, so you want to turn it off, just push the light in, and when you want to turn it on, just pull the light out. It is a twin bedroom, and the beds are, or rather the mattresses are actually quite comfortable. There's a single bedside table in the middle with writing materials, TV remote, the in-room telephone, a light right above, and below the light are light switches, power outlets, and USB-A ports. Opposite the bed is the flat screen LG TV with the safe box down here and storage right at the bottom. Bin And here we have another part of the wardrobe area with more hangers. Here we have snacks, the minibar menu, safety information, power outlets, kettle, the coffee making machine, coffee pods, bottles of water, glasses, an empty drawer, cups, sugar, tea, tissues, storage, and behind this door is the fridge. The fridge itself is not empty, but you still have space to store your own items inside it. Okay, here we have a chair, another chair on that side, and there's a table in the middle with a light. Here we have place to put items on with drawers below, a set of lights right there, and the same reading light setup right here. To turn it off, just push the light in, and to turn it on, just pull the light out. Here we have a mirror. Hello. And down here we get a standard 3-pin power outlet together with a universal power outlet. As for the view, you can see the buildings around the hotel, the road behind the hotel, the mall next to the hotel, the Mandarin wing of the hotel, all the buildings in the distance. That's Orchard Road right there, together with the intersecting road. And we can see Marina Bay Sands in the distance. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 3142 at Hilton Singapore Orchard. Thanks for watching and goodbye.